Hello guys, in this video we will see how to remove the printer from its Smart app. Unlink Uninstall will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step to look at the printer in its Smart Content. Open that Smart app on your mobile device, smartphone, or tablet. Navigate to the main screen where your connected printers are displayed. Look at the specific printer you wish to remove from the app. The printer's name and the small icon representing it should be visible if you have multiple printers listed. Carefully identify the correct one to avoid accidentally removing the wrong device. Step: access the printer settings content. Once you've located the target printer, tap or click on its icon or name. This will open the printer's settings page. This page will typically display information about the printer's status, ink levels, if applicable, and various options related to its configuration and management within that Smart app.
Step B. Initiate the unlinking process. Content on the printer's settings page. Look for an option to remove, delete, unlink, or disconnect the printer. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the app version and your printer model, but the function remains the same. Tap or click on this option. The app might prompt you for confirmation before proceeding with the unlinking process to ensure you intend to remove the printer. Step: confirm the removal content. After initiating the unlinking process, a confirmation prompt will likely appear. This prompt serves as a final check to prevent accidental removal. Carefully review the information provided and confirm your decision to remove the printer from the Smart app. Tap or click the Yes or equivalent confirmation button to proceed. Step: verify removal and uninstall optional content. After confirming removal, the printer should no longer appear in the list of connected devices within the Smart app. While unlinking from the app usually suffices, you might optionally uninstall the printer's driver from your computer. This step is not strictly necessary for removing the printer from the Smart app, but may be beneficial for a complete removal and to prevent any potential future conflicts. Consult your computer's operating system documentation for instructions on uninstalling printer drivers.